Well, experts say artificial intelligence, better known as AI, is evolving and expanding as more companies pivot towards this type of technology.
AI has been getting a lot of national attention recently, and today, Congress put the spotlight on it. Our Washington, D.C. correspondent Rachel Knapp joining us live from the U.S. Capitol. Rachel, what are some of the main takeaways from these hearings?
Well, good evening, Mike and Eva. So for the most part, there was a bipartisan agreement that there should be some sort of government regulation over AI. And while some members are hopeful for the future of AI, there's still a lot of concern surrounding it. While you see Senator Richard Blumenthal not moving his mouth, you can hear an audio clip that sounds like him in the background.
We have seen what happens when technology outpaces regulation.
According to the senator, he never personally recorded himself saying any of that.
The audio was an AI voice cloning software trained on my floor speeches.
The senator used that as an example of what artificial intelligence could be used for, like speech writing, based on data and research an AI system collects.
We could be looking at one of the most significant technological innovations in human history. And I think my question is, what kind of an innovation is it going to be?
Lawmakers on both sides agree. The promises of AI to help develop new understandings in things like science and health are encouraging, but it could bring potential harms, like killing jobs or spreading misinformation.
I think if this technology goes wrong, it can go quite wrong.
The CEO of OpenAI told senators he largely agrees with them for having government regulations for this up-and-coming industry.
For example, the U.S. government might consider a combination of licensing and testing requirements for development and release of AI models above a threshold of capabilities.
Lawmakers want to get ahead by creating rules for AI in terms of transparency, accountability, and limits for AI use.
Congress failed to meet the moment on social media. Now we have the obligation to do it on AI before the threats and the risks become real.
Although the main focus of today's hearing was about regulation for AI, it's still unclear how Congress would regulate it. Now, in the past, tech giants and even some partisan bickering has gotten in the way for legislation on things like data, safety, security, those kinds of things. So, Mike, Eva, it's going to be, it's kind of unsure how Congress, if they'll even, how they'll regulate this. Back to you.
And senators also discussed how the workforce will be impacted by AI. Experts urging members to start thinking ahead in terms of job training and job development alongside AI.
Certainly a lot.